People say there is a sin that I keep doing. I do it again and then I seek forgiveness. I do it again. I seek forgiveness. Now I'm feeling so dirty that I don't even want to pray. Now that is the devil. That is shaitan. When you sinned and you sought forgiveness, you're still a human close to Allah because you felt the guilt. You sought forgiveness. You sinned again. Same sin. You sought forgiveness. That's your maker. You move on. You sinned again. You sought forgiveness. You try your best to hold yourself back. Perhaps the gap between the sins is actually made longer, which is a sign of improvement. But the day you think you're not clean enough to pray to Allah is the day the devil, shaitan, has convinced you that you're not even worth it. That was his plan. He waited for you and he got hold of you and he made you think, that's it, I'm not worth it. Don't allow that day to come. Remember to turn to Allah. Remember, my brothers and sisters, there is hope. Don't give up. Never give up. You navigate through your difficulties just like we all do. They may be bigger, but Allah's given you the strength to go through it. There may be days when you might cry. It's okay. You're a human. You may cry.